So hey guys, today I have a box from DoingGoodCo, and this company has home goods. You can get a small or large gift box, and they have stationery, candles, mugs, and more. It's unique quality gifts to encourage, inspire others. My box is a large box which retails with shipping $34.48. But if you spend $75, the shipping is free. Mine was a standard shipping of $8.49. So I believe the name was inspired by Acts chapter 10, verse 38, Jesus went about doing good. Look how pretty this box is. Okay, so the first item looks like a postcard that says Merry Christmas, Psalm 96:11. And you can send it to someone. It says keep up a reminder card or send to a friend. Yeah, that's really neat, like that. Well, all right, let's get out the first item. Pretty Christmas stuff, it looks like. All right, so the first item is a wall decoration or door decoration that says Merry Christmas. It is a type of wood, I guess, compressed of some sort. And yeah, I like it. That's really cute. I don't have any card or anything so far, so I don't know what any prices are, but it does say Hobby Lobby on the back. All right, so it looks like some loose bells. And they're right next to an ornament. Is that cute? Oh, that's absolutely adorable. I love that. That could be as a decoration on a shelf as well. And it looks like the bells probably, you know, are spare to put inside this little ornament, or could use it to decorate if you're crafty. Okay, so the next is a set of cards. There's two cards that says rejoice, let the heavens rejoice, and let the earth be glad, and that is Psalms 96:11. So if there was an item in here you wanted to gift, you could use this little card, because it does say DoingGoodCo on the card as well, with two tiny red envelopes. Okay, so the next are silicone bracelets, celebrate Christmas, threads of faith. So there's a red one that says Merry Christmas. White one, I'm trying to see what it says, Noel. The green one, greetings, mighty God. And the red one looks like it's just some red with a little bit of decoration, like a little white Christmas tree and stripes. So those are neat. All right, so pulling out the next one, Alpine Winter Wonderland, hand-poured soy wax 4-ounce candle, handcrafted in Sandy Springs, Georgia. Oh, I can smell this. Let's take the lid off. Oh, that smells. Oh, you know what? I think I might have to use that one. Not sure if it'll be a gift. Oh, that smells amazing. Such a clean Alpine smell. All right, so on to the next. This is safety matches. Oh, what a neat idea in this little bottle. Quantity 60 by DoingGoodCo. And it says, let your light so shine, Matthew 5:16, shine on. And then it has strike a match on the side. That's neat. You can scratch your match right there. Yeah, that was a really neat idea. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Okay, looks like that's the last item. So here are all the items that came in the large box. There is the candle, the matches, the bracelets, and that wall decoration, two little cards, excuse me, an ornament, some extra bells, and then the postcard. So what do you guys think? Great box, lousy box, so-so? Let me know in your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.